Man, I never thought I'd own this truck again. Okay, so the transmission went out on my truck a few years ago. So I sold this truck to my mechanic and he just had it sitting around collecting dust, not doing anything with it. Just letting it get beat up out there with the windows open, with all this trash in there. You know, pretty much just let it go. Left the windows down, pretty much just letting it get destroyed. But honestly, that's a good thing because this makes a perfect project. So I bought this truck back for one reason and one reason only, and that's to make content. I'm gonna be showing you how to do door panels, dashboards, carpets, headliners, all paneling, of course seats, and I might even learn how to do steering wheel so I can teach y'all that also. Each part on this vehicle will have its own video. Now for the exterior and the body wise, yeah, that definitely needs some work. That's one thing I'm probably not gonna do, but I am thinking about learning how to wrap cars so I can do that and make a video. But I do know how to do body work, but I'll probably pay somebody to do that because I don't have the time to do that. And after that, I'll make a video for you guys wrapping the vehicle. Maybe, I'm thinking about doing that, but my main focus is gonna be the interior. So the first thing I need to do is clean out this interior. That way I can start with a blank canvas. I may even wash and sterilize these baby seats and give them to a single mother. Okay, so in the middle of me cleaning out my interior, I got sidetracked and ended up having to do a couple jobs. Let me show y'all. Did a Sprinter. That's gonna be on YouTube for y'all. Seats in the old school, so that'll be up. I'll be updating that soon. I'll just work on my cars and make videos for y'all. So I need y'all to, you know, subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. So what I'm about to do now is I have to move this car so many times. As you see, the tires keep getting flat. We got the tires getting flat, and I keep having to jump it. Now, this would normally be flat. So what I'm about to do is put some air in the tires, and I'm about to go see if I can get these tires fixed or replaced. That way I can be done with this issue. Now after that, I can just focus back on cleaning it. But I'm definitely tired of keep pulling air in this tire. Yeah, this tire looked bad. I'm probably gonna have to replace this one. No, I mean, not probably. I'm pretty sure I am. All right, so I'm about to give it a jump. Hopefully this is the last jump I'm giving it. Because the first thing I'm gonna do is go get a battery. That way I can go get the tires after that. Now that's not good. Usually this thing start right up. Damn. Yes. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. Alright, I don't know if y'all can hear me over that loud engine, but yeah, so I'm gonna need y'all to help me help y'all. So run those comments up, those shares up, because the more engagements I get, this is gonna boost the channel. The more my channel boosts, the more videos I can make for y'all. So it's a win-win. But yeah, let me go ahead to the battery shop. Yeah, it is super hot in Atlanta, so Let me go and get this window down. I may bring y'all back when I get to the battery shop. All right, yeah, we almost there. I don't know if y'all can see that, it's blurry. But yeah, I'm about to pull around back. So this place used to sell used batteries. It was the only place in North Cross where I'm at that sold them. But now they only sell new. Because I definitely like used batteries, used tires. But they still got the cheapest new batteries in my area. I don't know why I won't focus. Of course, I'm replacing the carpet, so I wasn't trying to get it perfect. I just needed a blank canvas to work with because it was too messy for me to even think. All right, in video 2, we're going to get to some fun stuff. So make sure y'all like and subscribe so you don't miss it.